Hey guys, WCU Cougar X here. It's been a while since I posted any videos. It's been a while since I've had any time to do any videos, so I thought to kind of get rid of this drought, we would kick it off with an unboxing. As you can see, I just got a box from Eotech. Due to all the crap that's been going on with this pandemic and all the other riots and things like that, it's been hit and miss as far as finding any gear from Eotech, and I was lucky enough to get on and see that they had a couple parts that I've been waiting for that were in stock. So it literally took them less than a week turnaround to get this delivered. They're pretty quick about shipping, and everything was good to go. So without further ado, let's crack this baby open and see what we have here. Kind of expected a bigger box for what I ordered, but hopefully everything is in here. Oh yeah, okay. So far so good. Alright, so I don't know, are you getting that? So this is the, obviously the magnifier, the G33. This one was actually made, or inspected on April 5th, so pretty new production. The next one we have here is the actual site itself. I don't remember, it's the EXPS3. This was inspected on March 29th, so all pretty fresh type of gear. Let's get these open. So if you're curious as far as what comes in these boxes, well, that's a pretty nice box. I've never had an Eotech, so. Alright, so foam. What do we got here? I'm sure there's a sticker and garbage in here. Let's look at the paperwork here. Oh, that's, huh. It's kind of cool. Eotech sticker. Nice laminated reference card. Product registration. And a little information about the warranty. I'll look at that later. Okay, what did we get in here? As I said, this is the EXPS3. Do I have night vision? No, but it's always best to get the gear now for future use. I don't want to end up having to buy another one, which I probably will anyways, but it's got the nice quick detachable for the rail, and I'll post another video at a later time showing that. Let's put this away. Next up is the G33. And their same kind of information. Alright, one second. Nicely packaged. Looks like I'll have to put this together. I don't know are you getting it? So there's the business end here. Alright. That's what you get when you order an Eotech, and this is a nice case. However, it won't be spending much time in the case. It's going to get mounted right away. Alright, that's all I have for you. I'll do a future video showing my own 4 and all that good stuff. Alright. WCU Cougar X out.